In this video, I will show you how to pay in cash on Uber Eats. So to do this, what you want to go and do first is just open up the Uber Eats app or website and click on the three lines in the top left. And from there, you can go to your wallet. Now from within your wallet, you will find your payment methods. Now you want to make sure that cash is here. If it's not, just click add payment method and add cash. Now I've also added it as my preferred payment method, but you can pick it either way. So from there, just go to Uber Eats and select what you want to buy. So I'll just select something right here and just add whatever you want to your cart. And then from there, click on add to order and then click on go to checkout. Now from there, what you want to do is first just enter the normal details, and then here under payment, whatever it says for you, just click on edit. And then make sure that it is set to cash. So usually it will, for example, be set to the first option. Just scroll down and then going to set it to cash. Now sometimes it will say unavailable. In that case, the restaurant does not accept cash on delivery, but there are certain ones that will. So just select cash on a restaurant that allows it and then click save. And if I now click place order, then the order will be delivered to my address and I can pay in cash on the delivery, although they do not offer change. So you do need to have the exact amount plus tip when the driver is there. So that's how you can pay in cash on Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.